Ever worried about the safety of your crypto? I mean, really worried. Not just about some sketchy exchange getting hacked, but about what happens if something happens to you. A simple forgotten password, a lost phone, or worse, someone getting their hands on your private keys. The truth is, while we're all busy celebrating the decentralized future, the responsibility for our digital assets falls squarely on our shoulders. And for most people, that's a terrifying thought. The entire system is built on this one critical point of failure: you. Now, imagine a world where you could protect your crypto from all of that. A world where you could secure your digital assets with a solution that's 1,000 times more robust than a simple password, and even more secure than a hardware wallet. A solution that's built for a worst-case scenario. That's exactly what Bitwala's Crypto Vault is. It's a tool designed not just to store your Bitcoin, but to truly secure it, using a system of multi-signature wallets and recovery protocols that essentially eliminate the single point of failure that we've all been living with. So, how does it work? At its core, the Bitwala Crypto Vault uses a 2 of 3 multi-signature setup. Think of it like a safety deposit box that requires multiple keys to open. In this case, there are 3 keys, one held by you on your phone, one on your computer, and the third held by Bitwala. To move any funds, a transaction needs to be signed by at least 2 of these keys. This means that even if a hacker gets access to one of your devices, they can't touch your funds. They'd need access to at least 2 of the 3 keys, which is a massive hurdle. But the real magic lies in the recovery protocol. This isn't just about preventing theft, it's about making sure you can never lose access to your own money. What if your phone gets stolen and your laptop dies? With a standard crypto wallet, you're in a world of trouble. But with the Bitwala Crypto Vault, the third key held by Bitwala comes into play. You can use their secure, verified recovery process to regain access to your funds, proving your identity without ever needing to expose your private keys. This is a game changer because it separates the security of your assets from the vulnerability of your personal devices. It's a system designed to protect you from both external threats and your own mistakes. Creating a vault is surprisingly straightforward. You start by downloading the Bitwala app and going through their standard identity verification process. Once that's done, you'll be guided through the vault creation. The app will generate the 3 keys and securely distribute them. One key is stored on your device, another on a secondary device of your choosing, and the third is held by Bitwala. It's a process that's intuitive and secure, but you have to be deliberate and follow the steps. Make sure you back up your recovery information and keep it safe, because even with all these safeguards, a bit of old-fashioned security prudence is always a good idea. And that's really all there is to it. The process is simple, but the security it provides is immense. It's a solution that finally puts the safe back in safeguarding your assets, allowing you to participate in the crypto economy with true peace of mind. It's about taking back control and ensuring that your digital wealth is truly yours, no matter what happens. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.